If you don't like dealing with salons but still want fab brows, then stay tuned for this quick DIY. First, gather your supplies: a brow pencil, tweezers, spoolie brush, and some brow gel. Got it? Great. Now let's start. Step 1. Shape your brows. Use the brow pencil to outline your desired shape. Remember, natural is in, so follow your brow's natural arch. Soft strokes, friends. Step 2. Time to tweeze. Pluck any stray hairs outside your outline. Pro tip, hold your skin taut to ease the pain. And don't overdo it, less is more. Step 3. Fill in the gaps. Lightly fill in sparse areas with your brow pencil. Short, quick strokes that mimic hair. Blend with your spoolie brush for a natural look. See that difference? Step 4. Setting time. Use brow gel to keep your brows in place all day. Brush them up and out. Voila! Brows on fleek. And there you have it. Perfect eyebrows at home in just a few easy steps. You got this. Want more beauty tips? Hit that follow button and join our beauty tribe. Thanks for watching, beauties. Stay fabulous.